Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm, as usual, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So Lbai the bat has found its levels, okay? We're seeing some green candles, we're seeing some red candles. Everything is kind of mixing, but I still do believe it's at a perfect buy-in levels, you know, just above 1 million. Could change by the time this video comes out, but hey, these are all psychological levels. And what is nice is that the next pump, I believe, could be 10 million. We have a lot of anticipation for that next massive exchange listing. I think it should be very, very exciting. It's going to really open a lot of our eyes. And also, what needs to be said here is that we are ready. Okay, at least me, I'm ready with my bag. Any opportunity that I see, any red candles, obviously I will load up a bit more, but this is an extra. At the end of the day, you know, it's all looking great. For those of you that managed to get in at these like 200k, 300k market caps, beautiful, but wait till you see the next wild pump. It is going to be wild. Right? So if you really want to make 10x, 20x, it's all in your hands. You know, this is your future. Don't forget, it's a coin audited by Solid Proof, liquidity locked forever, contract renounced. Really strong. Like, it really has some really nice points. The phases here, phase 1, 2, 3, 4, all lined up perfectly with some nice exchanges that should be coming up. Everything's laid out. I mean, everything is very transparent. It's just up to you to decide whether this is one of those projects that you want to go in, okay, knowing that carries some risk, but hey, the upside is wild, okay? It's absolutely wild because it has so much room to grow. It has already proven itself, and it proves that it does not, you know, rug or drop to zero like many projects out there do. This one is maintaining itself, which is incredible. So thank you so much, guys. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep going. You have no idea what the future looks like, but it's incredible. Okay, really, really great stuff. Go on the socials, get engaged, have a look at all this nice stuff, right? So you can actually participate in some giveaways. You can get yourself you know, updated with the upcoming listings. Every piece of information that you want, join the X, join the Telegram, and understand that coins, guys, get a lot of exposure from these exchange listings. So when, you know, Lbai starts getting these big exchanges, it's going to be wild. New investors, more money, more confidence, and it's just going to open a lot of doors for other exchanges to come in. So thank you so much. I really do appreciate all the support. Let's keep pushing, let's keep going, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.
Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.